Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk about how to add text to a 3D model. For example, most people know how to do it like this when you have a nice flat surface and then you put some nice text on and then you go ahead and extrude it. So today I'm working on a cup holder that'll work in a car for an oversized water bottle. To be specific, this dude, the Owala. Very nice, excellent product. No, I don't work for them. But it's got a big body and doesn't fit in my car and also doesn't fit in my colleague's car. So I went ahead and made a few prototypes and came up with this final design. And I've actually 3D printed a few of these already as my little test subject. But now that we're done with all the workarounds and figuring out the density and all that fun jazz for the 3D printing side, I want to create a customized cup holder with a person's name on it. I went online looking for answers. I couldn't find them, so here I am. My solution is one that I've actually used in my class to solve how to do ribs on round surfaces. Because text, this feature right here, adding text and going to 3D model and embossing it, even though it looks like it'll emboss it on a curve, it doesn't. It really only embosses on a flat surface. So here I am giving you an answer to how to solve this, my version, okay? There might be another one out there, so have fun with hunting for answers. This part has several different work planes in it, and there's one that's right tangent to the surface. That's not the one you want to use. You actually want to create another one that steps off of that surface. And that's this one that I just clicked on. That's the one that you actually want to create a new sketch on. So I'm in that. And I'm going to go ahead and draw my text. It's a big cup holder, so 3/4, whoops, I just canceled out. 3/4 of an inch will be what I'm after. And I'm going for a script type text. So I typed the person's name, I hit OK. Make sure I hit escape to cancel out of the text command. Click on the item, go ahead and rotate it. Select the spot and just rotate it. Then I go ahead and move the text. Whoops, I gotta hit done. Move my text where I want it to be. Then, instead of converting the text here, where some people will say convert to geometry, that's going down the wrong rabbit hole. I tried that. It doesn't work. I'm going to show you what does work. I'm going to go to 3D model, and I'm going to go ahead and extrude that text. Click on the text. Extrudes beautifully, just like if I was making the nameplate. But instead, I'm going to go to face, and I'm going to pick the back wall, or the front wall, depending on how you look at it. See how it hugs it? Real nice, reasonable. I'm not saying this is a good solution if you have a very curved surface, because I can see how there'll be some distortion issues with my next step. But for the purpose of what I'm doing, it actually works rather well. I'm going to hit OK. This is a round surface about 3.5, 4 inches in diameter. But if you have a really tight surface, I'm not sure if it's a good solution. So now I'm going to jump to the side view so you can see what's going on. And in this view, I'm just going to draw essentially what I'm going to call a cutting tool. So I'm going to pick a spot out here somewhere, a spot that will be parallel. So I'm going to pick it. I'm going to hold my control key down, pick this guy. I'm going to make sure these guys are parallel to each other. Okay. And then I want to extend the text a particular amount. Not a 1/4 inch, but more like 1/8 of an inch, just a little bit. So it has a little bit of an extension. And even that might be too much. 0.0625 might look good. See that? And I'm going to hit, not done, but I'm going to make a large block of material out here. I'm going to treat it like a lathe, and I'm literally going to revolve cut this item. Make it back to a side view so you can see what's going to happen. That's my object. Okay, I'm going to subtract. My profile is selected. I got to pick my axis. There it is. And it's going to whip around and essentially cut off that material. To see how it's going to do that? When I hit OK, done. That is my solution to how to put text on a curved surface in a 3D parametric product. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.